Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a verified Binance account and working 2FA. Open the Binance app or website and sign in. Once logged in, head to Security Settings. This is where Passkey's live. Make sure your device supports WebAuthn, modern iOS/Android, or a hardware security key. You do not need to remove existing 2FA. Instead, make Passkey an added authentication method. This gets you into the exact screen to create a new Passkey. Now create the Passkey step by step. Tap Create New Passkey and choose whether to use your phone's biometrics or an external security key. When prompted, give the Passkey a short identifying name so you can manage multiple keys later. Then confirm using your fingerprint, Face ID, or physical key insertion. The browser will show a WebAuthn prompt. Once done, Binance will ask for a quick 2FA verification to bind the Passkey to your account. This prevents unauthorized registration. Complete the setup by signing out and testing the new Passkey login. Choose Passkey at sign-in and authenticate with your device. This confirms the flow works. Make sure you keep at least one fallback 2FA method active in security settings so you can still access the account if a device is lost. If the Passkey fails, don't panic. Use your fallback 2FA to sign in, then remove and recreate the Passkey or re-register the hardware key. If problems persist, contact Binance support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.